Hello traders, it's Tomek here and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. Before I start, I would like to invite you for my two free workshops which I organized together with the Trade Nation broker. Workshops will be held on Tuesday and Thursday next week at 7 p.m. London time. Of course, if you can't be there, sessions will be recorded, so no worries about that. And this time I prepared for you something different. Last time I said about the trading strategies, but right now I decided to make something which is behind the trading strategies. So how to organize your trading correctly and trader mindset. But if you want to sign up or you want to learn more details, just click link below in the description of this YouTube video, or in the upper right corner in this video, you will also get direct link to this website, which I'm showing right now, where you will find more information about this upcoming event. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Okay, so let's go to Forex. And before I go to the analysis, I would like to also inform you that keep in mind that we are close to the summer holidays, so market definitely during this period is slower than usual. Okay, so most of the times we have continuation of the trends most of the times, but of course we never know what market can do. But keep in mind that definitely will have less volatility. July is still more or less okay, but August usually is without volatility. So keep your trades, not keep your trades, but try to pick up your trades in the smart way. And if you don't see anything, if you don't see volatility, simply do not take any actions. It's better to protect profits than take unnecessary risk. Okay, so let's see what we have. First pair is Aussie dollar, US dollar, and we see that we have lines from last week, and we said that our price continue to retest again this support zone, or we will have some retracements back to the 36 and back to this trend line. And we see that price currently is not moving nicely. We had this try to go down, but price never retested previous bottoms. Okay, so we can check what we can do now. We quickly go to weekly chart, and what we will see that we are still in the downtrend. We have support zone. So like we said, or we see bigger retracement to the resistance on the weekly chart, or continuation to target next area of the support. We also have trend line where price might retrace. But like I said, if we go to lower time frames, right now we see that price is not making much for us. So again, or price will range here with some spikes around this, and then if we are close to this trend line, then we can look for breakouts, yes, or breakouts, and then we try to go long and here try to go short, or we have like or this is retest of the support, because we always know that support is zone. Yes, it's a zone. So this might be like a retest of the support, and then price might retrace to our profit zone, and from this level, of course, we are interested to sell. After breakout, we are interested to buy and target resistance. So we go to 4-hour chart. And what we see on the 4-hour time frame is that price currently, is on our profit zone. So what we can have, we have situation that we are a little bit squeezed. So what we can do, we have here 4-hour chart short 1 to 3. And here we have 36 together with this trend line. So basically we can look for buy trade here. But keep in mind that this is against main direction, but you can still try to take this and target this 36 EMA together with this trend line. There is also an area of the resistance, but because I have 36 and trend line, I didn't want to draw it, but it's still there. So this is option number 1. And option number 2 is to wait for breakout of this 2 to 3 line and still try to sell this, of course, on the lower time frames, only 5-minute, 1-minute chart. And then your goal is, of course, previous bottom. Yes, so that's why we have to go on the really low time frames. And in case of the breakout, this is your next goal. Yes, and if, of course, if price breaks, you have next levels. And if you are not interested to trade here short because it's not enough risk reward, or you don't trade on the lower time frames, what you if you see that price is not breaking this but it's going down and is retesting, what you can always do, or wait for breakout of the support and then try to sell it, or wait for trendline breakout, because if we have situation that price stops, you can wait for trendline breakout and then you can try to buy this, and then you have targets from higher time frames. Okay, so this is what we have on the Aussie dollar US dollar. Swiss franc yen is the pair which we didn't have last week, so this is something new. And if you look for the weekly chart, maybe you go to monthly, you will see that currently the price is making new highs. I don't have history. It's 2002. I know that I think there are some highs, but basically we see that on the monthly chart is very strong uptrend. Also on the weekly chart, last time price really gained momentum. Okay, so we don't have any close resistance levels right now. We have also nice trend line on the weekly chart, so we can expect that at some point price will retrace to the 36 and to this trend line, but we don't know when. Right now, definitely it's pushing up this chart. So we go to daily chart, and what we can do, we of course can draw a trend line here. And we see that price a little bit stopped. So if we look for the support zone, we have area of the support here with the previous stop together with the 36 EMA. And if we want to draw different line, different angle, we can draw this one, or we can also draw in this way. Okay, so we have levels where price might retrace. We also have another support zone here and another support zone on the daily chart here. Okay, so we know where price might to stop in case of the retracement, but currently price is pushing up. Okay, so we go to the 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart, what we currently see is double top. So for now, it shows weakness. We also have 4-hour chart trend line. Okay, so and we have those lows here. Okay, so what we do, if you see that price is breaking this resistance, you still buy this, but keep in mind that we are late in buys. And if price breaks 36 EMA together with this trend line and together with the lows, what you can do, you can try to sell this, and then you trade in the retracement on the daily chart to this level, and of course the 36 EMA. So this is option to do this. And if you see that price, for example, is spiking here and then is going up again, you will get confirmation of the range. So then you don't need to draw this trend line. You can remove this line. Okay, and if price make this and starts to range, then you easily say, okay, breakout here to buy, sell this here. Okay, after breakout. But right now we have this trend line. But again, those previous lows should be broken. If we look for lower time frames, we will see that the price must really make like a new lower low, lower high to look for sell scenarios. Intraday traders still can jump in here if you like. You have 1, 2, 3. If price bounce here, you go to 1 minute chart and you still try to buy this and target, of course, previous stop. Intraday traders can also wait for retracement to this zone, and if it's not broken, yes, if it's not broken, price decide to spike and bounce, you can look for long scenarios also here and target again this, because long scenarios will be with the main direction. So that's all what we have here on the Swiss franc yen. So a couple of opportunities. Keep in mind that all up to your trading plan. I'm just showing you some solutions. So if you are, for example, scalper, you know what to do. If you do day trading also and swing trading also, yeah. So you have a couple of options. Of course, if you don't trade against main direction, you have to wait for daily retracement. Okay, daily retracement to this level, and then try to buy this again and target this. So we go to euro dollar, and euro dollar ranged a little bit last week. We had this double bottom. If we go to weekly, yeah, so the weekly, we also see this double bottom. We have all the levels from last week, and we will leave them. This is still interesting pair for me. We can have this retracement to the resistance to the trend line. Then from this level, we can have bounce and continuation or breakout and bigger retracement. But let's go to daily chart. And on the daily, we see that price is trying to retrace. So we can sell this still, and then we target this support zone, or after trendline breakout, we try to buy this, and our goal is the resistance area. Okay. So we go to 4-hour chart. We can adjust our line. So currently, we really don't have anything. We have to wait for price to break this level and this level, and then we can buy or we can sell. As long as we are here, we are not interested to take the trades. Yeah. So remember about that. GBPCAD. So last time you see, we said about going up or going down, and price was ranging all week. Yes. So we didn't have any situations to trade here, but we are still on the good level to look for some opportunities. Yes. So let me delete those lines, and if we go again to higher time frames, from last week we know that price spiked, so we can get retracement to the resistance together with the 36 EMA. Okay. Or still continuation, yes, to this area. So if we go to daily chart, we are on the interested level because we are on our profit zone, and this is also our trend line. We can also change the angle of the trend line like this, for example. Yes, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Okay, so this is really nice level for us. That's why maybe price was in the range here to decide in which direction it can go. Okay. So if we get breakout and price decide to go up, this is our next goal. And if we have continuation, this is our next goal. But in between, we also have to remember about this area of the support. Okay, so for intraday trading, it's 100 pips, so it's still okay. But we need to just keep in mind that price might react. I'm saying usually I don't care about this kind of the support, but this time, because we are late, you see, we are late, price also might create for us like a higher low and then make this. Okay, so that's why we need to just pay attention to this support zone. So how we can trade this? No, right now price, is breaking this trend line. So we need to see a little bit of momentum. Yeah. So if price, breaks and we will get 1, 2, 3, this is our option to sell. And if you want to buy, we need to see that price is at least, if this is our trend line, it's breaking this line. Okay, so it's going up and resistance, and this is our next goal. Again, low risk because you see price already moved around 2000 pips, but it can easily go even lower. Right now I don't have history here, but there are levels where price still might go, but we might also get retracement because price is retesting really strong level of the support. Okay, so this is what we have on the GBPCAD, sell or buy. And the last is GBPUSD. And you see last week we said about buys or sells, nothing happened. Yeah, price was in the range. So we didn't get any scenarios here. So what we can do, we go to higher time frames, weekly chart. And again, we see price retested support, spiked. We can get retracement where to the area of the resistance or to those levels, or still continuation to retest previous bottom. So if we go to daily chart, right now price is struggling. We have this trend line. So ideally, we want to see that price or is breaking this 2 to 3 line, and then we try to sell this and target support, or breakout of the 36 and this trend line, and then we buy and target resistance. So we still wait. There is nothing to do right now. We still wait for some momentum. Yeah? So after breakout, here you sell, here you buy. Okay, so this is what we have. You see no volatility right now. So I'm really curious what we'll get in upcoming week. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this forecast. Again, I would like to remind you about this special 2 workshops, which are completely for free. If you sign up, I hope you will benefit from this, and you will maybe see what you miss in trading. So again, go to this website. This below this video in the description, you will get the link, or in this video in the up right corner, there are all details. And if you still have any questions, feel free to contact me. So thanks again. Wish you all great week, and hear you soon. Bye.